WordPress developers are a dime a dozen. I have about 1,300 connections on LinkedIn that are WordPress developers. And I'm not knocking any of you if you're watching this, but they use developer as a very loose term. I don't necessarily think working in Elementor or just with, you know, working with third-party themes and plugins and then building a website like that is considered, you know, a WordPress developer. At least it wasn't back when I was in it. If you couldn't, you know, program the theme yourself, then you were basically a WordPress user, because that's the whole point of WordPress, right? So anybody could just jump in and make it. Here's the Disney, at least the digital media portion of the business's employment flow. You get recruited. Disney wants you to work for them. It's exciting. It's a big name. And their hourly rate is fine. You are now a contractor for Disney. Next, you have been working there now. Right about the 6 to 7 month period, you realize there's a ticking clock. While you might have known this ahead of time, you get reminded that Disney can only keep you as a contractor for a maximum of 18 months. Their first rank is for 1 year. Once you get close to your 1 year mark, your manager, they have to make a case for extending your contract. Once you get to your 18-month mark, Disney has to make a choice. Hire you, that's a full-time employee, or bye. You can imagine how nerve-wracking that is. First off, you have your ID card. You're a Disney employee. Picture on it has the Disney logo. You have a Disney email at disney.com. And you can go into the Disney office. That badge gets you into other places too, other campuses. When your badge gets upgraded to a full-time cast member, they get you a little badge like the Disney cast members. When you go full-time, you get way more perks. So many perks. You get discounts in all the Disney stores. You get discounts on tickets. You get free tickets. You get so much. The benefits of working for Disney full-time really allow them to underpay their staff a little bit, you know, because you're making it up in other ways. And during my tenure, I got 2 offers for full-time employment. You know, when they told me about the first one, I was pretty confident. I'm like, okay, cool. Yeah, they're not gonna get rid of me. My boss loves me. I put out good work. That fell through. And then they told me about another one. Long story short, I didn't get hired on either of the projects. You want to hear a story about a senior engineer that shouldn't be? Back when I was still getting contracting gigs, I started working for this real estate company. They needed a real WordPress programmer. The person that I was kind of relieving the duties of, he wasn't getting fired or anything. They wanted him to work on other things. He was just this generic programmer. They considered him a senior because he's the only guy that was there, and he's been there for so long. He was just given a new CMS to work on, and he just did what he knew. And he did the craziest hard-coded PHP programming, completely ignored WordPress functions, did SQL queries directly. He should not have been left alone with the keys. I had to completely work around landmines constantly, and performance sucks, memory leaks, and super unsecure code. It's exactly the same, no difference between making a game in WordPress and Godot. Oh, really? I hope you're not being sarcastic, because it does not play well over Messenger, because I do that a lot when I'm watching other people's streams. I'm being super sarcastic, and they're like, oh, huh, really? Yeah, exactly. We need a global... Here, we'll do something like this. I think this will help us. It'll only be you and me because we're on this talking right now, but it'll be like this. It'll be so the tilde, that's the clue. Being sarcastic. It's as if you're farting the words out. You know what I mean? Tilde. Wow, we're really even you motherfucker. Oh wait, tilde. Ah, I get it. It was a joke. I like that. There we go. The tilde is the universal symbol of sarcasm in text now. You heard it here first. Aragon. Okay, let's try it again. The joys of programming. Constant reloading. Troubleshooting errors. Fixing errors to make new errors. Who was it, Sisyphus? Just, you know, rolling a big ass rock up a hill. Can never get it there. Go! Well, looky there. I can walk again. Left and right, at least. So something's up. Oh god, it's getting worse. What is going on? This is insane. I'd like to say I just know offhand why he's having a seizure. But... oh, that's why. Look at this idiot. I just solved it. I think that's it. I think we're good. I just wasn't touching the left style. I was doing the top style for both. 'Cause I'm smart. Have you ever met a smart person? It's like being smart with a little derp. We can all be smart, you know? At sometimes. Sometimes I'm smart, I like to think. That might just be the smirk talking, though. I might never be smart. So I guess I'll never know. I won't be the one to tell you if I'm smart or smirk. So you can read my mind. What 5-digit number am I thinking of? Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna do, what did I say? 54222. I'm just, I like to read your mind. I don't have access to your thoughts. Liar. Okay, so I have to make it fictional. Okay, this is working. Here we go. Here we go. Ah! Not even close. Try harder. Damn it. Think outside of yourself. Damn it. We got this. Hold on. You are not in a computer. Oh man, it's getting closer. I got the 5. You're getting closer. Well, I got 2 of them. 4 and 2 now. Maybe I'm not thinking hard enough. Well, got the 5 again. We're close. We're close. Once I figure out how to trick ChatGPT into reading my mind, I think a Nobel Prize is the least of what I'll get. You don't have to deep dive. No, that's what I'm saying. Stay shallow. Only learn what you need to learn. And that's how you're gonna be efficient with your learning. Just go for the basic stuff, you know. If somebody needs you to learn CSS to help them fix something, good. Now you know how to do that in CSS. And you're gonna, by proxy, by osmosis, absorb coding abilities because you're gonna be using it. On top of that, you build a nice little resume. Nothing gets you jobs more than a resume. Not a portfolio. People are looking for a resume. Companies that you worked for. You can tell them what you did for them, but you need your list of companies, your description of what you did for them, and then now you have more to your tech list. If you're looking to get into it for fun, start your own project like this. Like I'm building a website-based video game. This would teach you a lot about web programming, even though it's a video game, because I'm just using vanilla JavaScript and I'm using Sass styling. Like this is all just CSS, and then this is all just vanilla JavaScript. Very basic stuff to learn. Graham, the main character, invents personal wormhole transportation. It's attached to his watch. I mean, he created a watch holster for his device. And eventually it's embedded in his mechanical arm. I have an affinity for mechanical arms, as you can see. I always loved them. I think I got ruined by Full Metal Alchemist when I was a kid. And then every time I see mechanical arms, I'm just like, why not me? And I know that's stupid because I don't want to lose my arm. Yet, I've seen some pretty crazy prosthesis. We're not far off from me cutting my arm off, so you know I like bod mod, so
It'll work. First try. Definitely first try. Tell me it's not gonna work first try. Come on, chat. Come on, bots. Do it, bots. Tell me. It's not gonna work first try. See? Too scared.
We give estimates before we start working on a project, and they agree to it, and then you have a contract. That's your insurance policy. Because, you know, when people try to give you the runaround, ideally you'd have a due date in mind. You know, some sort of grace period after a project's completed. There's issues with that too. When's the project done? That's subjective. You know, is the project done when it's dev complete? Or is the project done when it's been QA'd by the client, the stakeholder, you know, and they approve it? Because that approval process can take a long time. And they can be nitpicking you left and right. Fix this. I don't like this. Change the font. Oh, no, I don't like that font. I need a new page. Shit, we forgot about this page. Can drag on for a long time. Yeah, I mean, I've said it before, but freelancing it's hard because the people that are hiring freelancers are not stable. Mom and pops, all these small businesses. Working remote, there's a lot more to it. It's not just about doing Zoom meetings. It's about time management. It's about managing procrastination. If you're one of those people that need an office to focus, like a quiet space, no dogs, no family, no deliveries, no whatever, then going remote was really hard on you. It takes a certain skill to be able to get work done and force yourself to get work done when you know you can do anything else. I have a TV in my office.
It is
a 3D printer in my office.
Scott
A sword decanter full of really good
Coming to you
from
from
scotch.
the
Right,
office
so
of Scott v. Adrian.
how goes it? How goes you?
I'm trying to figure this out. I just added this new embed. For some reason it's not playing the damn live feed. Let's find out why. Do you have to like... Yeah, why is it saying... I'm definitely live. It's cache. Let's try another computer. Yeah, it's saying offline. Let's see, what the hell? This is working. What is wrong with you? And something's up with the mic now. I feel like it got quieter. Hello? 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 Huh. I don't know. Okay. Is the music too loud now? No, I didn't touch the music. Okay. Yeah. I need some people to join so they can tell me how the sound is. Ever since I did some music recording on here. I think I fucked up the input. I don't know how though. Alright, what is up with this video? Orbem order. Yeah. Twitch. Video ready. Play. I don't know. Let's check out embed.twitch not playing live feed. You can do this. Users of embed are often in the same way that Twitch websites and logging in is a seamless live experience. Logged in users can chat, but okay, whatever. Why is it not working? Maybe I need to put it in the parent. I thought that was only if this was like inside another iframe, but let's try it anyways. Oops. Did not mean to do that. Parent. Orbem.order.com. Maybe. I could see that might be the reason. No, doesn't give a shit. What the fuck? Yeah, it's just not working. Just saying I'm offline. Live content only. Name of chat room and channel. Channel. Orbem order. That's definitely my channel. I wonder... Huh. I don't know. Doesn't make any sense. It's the layout. Wait, let me see if there's like an error on the front end. Maybe Google doesn't allow it. That should happen sometimes. Yep, here we go. Sandbox. Allow scripts. Ah. Error not available. 404 failed to load playlist. Alright, let's see if... Let's try setting it to sandbox. Oh wait, no, this is for the Goodreads. Ugh. Wait, is Goodreads not working anymore? Yeah, it is. Alright, that's different. This is new though. The hell is this about? This is probably why it's not working. Player stopped. Let's check this. Twitch embed. You could build this functionality. Easy start stream, event bridge, event, something. The player will always attempt to load playlist if the outplay. Oh, maybe because I have it set to autoplay. Let's change that. I thought autoplay was a good idea, but maybe it doesn't matter. No, doesn't give a shit. What the nut? Well, that's annoying. The player will always attempt to load the playlist at the autoplay. Thanks for responding. Unfortunately, I've tried using event bridge. Just use restart. Embedding Twitch error. So this is the event. Okay. He's saying you need to add some parent. You have embed in an iframe, on a page. Did it work? Wait, is mine loading inside an iframe inside? I don't think it is. I think it's just in a normal iframe. Pretty sure. Yeah, mine's inside Nothing. Okay. Mine's just inside an iframe. Right? Unless this is in an iframe as well. Which I do not believe it is. No? See? It's just in here. Huh. Well, shit. Am I using something different? Collection, autoplay. If true, the video starts playing automatically without the user clicking play. Mobile device on which you can't play. Oh, I'm gonna put autoplay back because that's what I want. Yeah, right. Orbem I'll leave that in. Wait, did he have it? Yeah, strings. Channel. Yeah, I mean, it has the right channel. It wouldn't put this unless it did. I just don't get... I mean, it's clearly live.
Yeah, exactly. We need like a glow.
Oh. Am I not live on Twitch right now? What the fuck? How's that possible? Uh-oh. How am I not live on Twitch? Shit. How is that possible? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. How am I not live? Shit. Uh-oh. What did I do? How did this not go live? Fuck. I'm not live. How the hell did that happen? God damn it, Restream. You're really fucking me. But look, it says I'm live. Like, how's that even work? Well, my chat's live. I'm not live, though. That's why. What the fuck? It's connected, but it's not fucking live.
A global. Here, we'll do some.
Shoot. Alright, fuck it. I'm gonna stop. I have to. Shoot. How did that get screwed up? Restream. Perfect. This has never happened before. Now all of a sudden it's not going live. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Live. Oh, there we go. Live. Well, that explains why the embed wasn't working. Yeah, there we go. Look. Live. Automatically. Yeah, there we go. Look. Live. Alright. Well. Sorry to everybody that has been not watching on Twitch. I went fucking live and Restream did not start. Man, I hate trying to figure this shit out. But I've also been trying to do something else using the Twitch API. So actually, check this out, this chatters thing. Trying to do a plugin. I'm gonna pull this off actually. So you can't read my special tokens. Yeah, whatever. You can read my tokens, it's fine. Nah, don't read my tokens. I don't know, I got a lot of weirdos on here that like to read shit. Okay. Whatever, you could have read it already. Yeah, so I'm trying to get the current chatters, right? A list of the chatters. And what happens is it reads the hash, goes back, loads into local storage, and then the token will actually get from if window.local storage. Don't worry, I'll reset this key after the stream. Get item Orbem order token. So if that exists, stored token. So if stored token, yeah, actually, I think I want to do it like, yeah, whatever. And then we'll do this. Pop. All right. Basically what I want to do is grab the stored token, and if it exists, then I want to use it. To grab the list of chatters. So I'm going to install this on the production site and see if I can console log out the current chatters. Because, you know, I want to start doing some more interactive shit. Hey, 7 hours in book 1. You really like it? Awesome. Welcome back, man. Yeah, I'm really glad you liked the book. That's awesome. Really glad to hear. That is fantastic. Oh, yeah. Kidding me? Romanians. Iona Negrescu. Yeah. Love them. Love me some Romanians. So, yeah, I appreciate you appreciating that. Let's just say that. So this should work. Just, you know, off the bat, out to bat. This should work right off the bat. So let's compress this. I'll just do it over here. And then I'll try to install it locally. Audiobook 2 is coming out fucking as soon as I can finish verifying it. Kind of had some mishaps on book 2's chapter 3, so he's re-recording that right now. But yeah, I'm hoping to get it out, you know, in the next couple months. I know it seems like a long time, but verifying 10 hours of audio line by line with the book takes a really long time when I don't have like 10 hours to just sit there and do it. I can maybe do like one chapter a day or something like that, because it's like 20-30 minutes each. Yeah, so unfortunately it's taking a lot longer than I wanted. Book 1, I had the audiobook ready before I even published because I had the time. But Yeah, you like the narrator? Oh, I love him, man. Fucking Jacob McNatt. He's a real one. I definitely like him as well. So I appreciate that you like him. Alright. Right now I just created a new WordPress plugin. So we're going to try installing it on the production site so I can see if I can get a list of the current chatters in Twitch using the API. I just wanted to do this real quick to kind of like see if I'm capable of messing with Twitch API. Install. Yeah, it's just a custom plugin. Wait, what? Whoops. What did it do? Unexpected output during activation. Header's already sent. What did I do? Yeah, I mean, it should be outputting shit. What headers? I didn't put any headers out there. That's weird. Yeah, I didn't put anything weird in here. Bobaverse books? Hell yeah. Yeah, man, I really hope I get some time to do that. That would be a lot of fun. I don't get... Whatever, let's just add this. If, false equals is admin. We just won't load it in the admin. That way it won't get mad at me for installing it. By the way, if you want to know how to develop a plugin, this is it. I'm just using one file right now. One last book, in your opinion, on the series, Off to Be Wizard. What, you mean the Magic 2.0 series? Dude, you're like, are you reading my Goodreads or something? That's literally one of my favorite series. I listened to all three. And the narrator is probably like the best narrator I've ever heard. So fucking funny. Yeah, all three of them. Just banger after banger. Different too, you know, as it went on. But that first book was so goddamn funny. Just the concept was so freaking funny. A programmer stumbling across the universe's source code. Like, that's fantastic. Alright, let's try again. Yeah, his girl voice is really, you know, there's a lot of times I don't like narrators' girl voices, but like he completely worked. And he was just so funny with the main wizard guy. And, ugh, God. Go. There we go. Okay, I think we're good now. So let's go to production site. I have a get token button now. And if I click that, takes me here, and now the console should have a list of chatters. And look, there's two. We got you and me. We did it. I can now output the current chatter's information, which is just user ID. Which, I mean, I can get more information based off of user ID if I need to. But this is gonna be cool. I wanna do some custom like stuff, graphics on the screen during stream for people that join and are part of the chat. You know, kind of like stream avatars. You know, I could just install that, which I think I have that. I just don't use it. And I can have people do stuff like that, but I want to do something a little bit more custom. I don't know what I want to do yet, but like I could even have characters in the video game, you know, be the chatters and stuff like that. So yeah, we shall see. But for now, I'm just going to uninstall this plugin, or at least just deactivate it. Now that I know it works. Hey, Deck Dude! You just missed my custom Twitch API plugin. Nothing special. I can just output the... actually, here, I'll reactivate it, you can see. So now, if I go to this chatters page, I consoled out the current chatters, which now there's 3. See, now I have Dak Dudes in here. We got Astrion, and then we got me. Yeah. Just messing around a little bit with the Twitch API. And yeah, like I was telling Astrion, I wanna do something with yeah, I created a custom plugin for it. I want to do something with the current chatters that are on. I was talking about maybe like doing, you know, maybe have people, characters in the game that are all the people that are on chat. And have you guys messing around. All the NPCs will be the current chatters on the stream. It might get a little crowded if there's a lot. I also added this to the home page. I'm not gonna look at myself while I'm streaming. So that's good. Leave. Alright, I think we're in a good spot now. Back to business. Oops. This song actually playing in the background is a new song I made for a gig this weekend. Just a random gig. Hired on Fiverr. Steve is doing good? Hell yeah, man. I'm glad to hear that. That's fantastic. Good. So you got that new big tank working out and everything's working. You got it all cleaned out and functioning properly. You walked 4 miles? Holy crap. That's a lot of miles. Unless you're at a theme park. Then that's nothing. Alright. Well, I think it's time for a glass. 1 second. Bring forth the sword of Swatch. Fantastic. Much better. Oh, you got a bigger one. Oh crap, that's huge. Just for 1 fish? You getting more fish in there or what? Because that's alarmingly large. The fuck? What is going on? Why am I being bombarded here? Oh, do I have this enabled? Is this screwing things up? Yeah? It's a minimum for a goldfish. Really? I had no idea. I had no idea. That is quite large. I'm used to those little bowls. Yeah, I mean, I know, what are they? Groupers or something? What are they called? I know they can grow to outrageous sizes in the right situations. What the fuck? I don't even know how to do my own game anymore. Ah. Well, that's not right. There we go. That's pretty cool, though. Yeah, sorry, I was talking to my wife. Intentionally muted. No, she was telling me that my chat wasn't coming up because she's watching it on the YouTube Shorts feed. And she thought that you guys were all talking to me on the YouTube Shorts chat. But you're on Twitch, so I told her to pay attention to the blue multi chat. she wanted to see the goldfish. Speaking of goldfish, you have a picture of your goldfish tank? Or no? Nothing yet? You're gonna have to post it if you do. So we can show it off. So let's get out of my super awesome plugin and back to business. Yes, please send it. Yes, business. Business is very important. We need to get this minigame working. The damn wire dragging thing. Now, I have a handy dandy message from Game Doodle. Let's pull it up. Which one is it message? Game Doodle? Is this it? Yes. So he put this together. He hasn't tested it. He just thinks like logically this will work. So I'm gonna look at it and I'm gonna see. I'm gonna pull it in with the code. Let's see if we can utilize some of Game Doodle's code in this regard. So first of all, let's do drag start. All right. So I think I was trying to do it for drag end, right? Yeah, and I was looking at all the solder points. So this is where I was trying to figure out the actual junk. So let's go ahead, throw this function in here from Game Doodle, and let's see what kind of mayhem he's gotten me into. Sent. All right, here we go, everybody. Check it out. It's Steve. And here's Steve's new tank. Ooh, I like it. Oh, wait. Ooh. It's a nice-ass tank, my friend. Yeah, it's a good-sized tank. Okay. I get it. That's not too crazy. I guess I was... I mean, it's still big. He's gonna get big. But it's... I don't know. I don't know what 20 gallons is. Alright. Something's up with my video on. Let's make this smaller. I feel like I'm too big. Yeah, because my head keeps getting cut off. A little bigger. Yeah, that works. Sorry, I was messing with the short speed. Yeah, what's 20? 20 gallons? That's about 20 gallons. Wait, hold on. Yeah. Ooh, because of the color of my portal, it looks like I'm in the water. I'm in the tank. Oop. We're going in! Swimming with Steve. You saw a guy over at YouTube making self-sustaining tanks. Yeah, I know. Ain't nobody got time for that. Those like ecosystems that like feed themselves, the condensation like drips back down. It's like a rainforest. Yeah, those are sick. Hey, Indy! Welcome to the party! Hey, everybody. I need 3 people in chat at all times. I'm really trying to meet my average 3 user goal. But, so this is good. So far, so good. How you doing, man? Welcome. By the way, Dak Dude, my wife says she loves the colors. She really likes your setup. And I appreciate your use of light blue rocks to match my stream color. You'll try and log more often then? Hell yeah. Let's do it. And I think I already asked this before when you first jumped on, but I want to pronounce your username right. Is it Asteron? Asteron? Phonetic for me. Minotaur's name. Minotaur's name? Asterion. Hell yeah. Okay. Good. Asterion it is. I like saying that better anyways. You can't fall asleep and then you remember it your life? Yeah. What are you thinking, Indy? What day is it? You should be on here. Palling around. And now we got Asterion hanging out every day. Steve. Did you name it after Cloudy with a Chance Meatballs monkey, Steve? Wait. That's his name, right? Steve? He thinks his reflection is another fish? That sounds about right. That's funny. Yeah, fish do that. That's why betas like kill themselves, because they just keep running into their reflection because they're trying to fight it. It's blocking him from getting to the other side of the tank. Ew. Well, that's not good. Okay, so he created this function for me, is overlapping, which you pass the solder point and the wire. He's grabbing the 2 points, doing this. Wait, is that what I'm doing? That might have been my function. No, I'm doing this. Okay, so he's doing this. And then he has this. Are all SVGs covered? And he's using the is overlapping function. He's going through each solder point, covered. And then this is where he's checking. You're a winner. Still not winning. And then it looks like he added this, where he's just grabbing all the images like I am. And he's adding these event listeners for each one. Okay. So I think the main thing that I can take from this and try to utilize, we're already going through here, we're getting all these. we can try to get rid of my checks here. And instead, wires. Okay, wires, soldering points, solder points. So it's like he's grabbing them separately. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Grabbing them separately, passing him here. Okay, well, let's try this out. Wait, am I one short? I am one short. Is that right? Why is that wrong? You saw a sniper at the parade? What? You mangled the name to make it sound like Asterion, Romania. Ah. Asteromania. Asteromania. Got it. Then join it to Asteron. Well, I'll call you Asterion because I like it. You saw a sniper at the parade. You accidentally subbed to Moist Critical. Nice. So now you have cool emotes. Nice. SWAT team. How the Sigma do you accidentally subscribe? Yeah, I get it. I accidentally subscribe to things. Okay. Let's just roll with this. Though, why is... Oh, this. I think he forgot an ore. There we go. He forgot 2 ores. That's fine. But I'm definitely messing up something here. So handle drag end. So I'm doing this all on drag end, I guess. So that's fine. Right? Handle drag end. Wait, I screwed something up. Handle mouse move. What? What did I do? Let's go back to what I had. Oh, that was mine. I removed it. I'm an idiot. My bad. I removed my own thing. Okay. Let's do that, and then let's do that. Okay, here we go. Good, good, good. Now we're good. Okay. Let's roll with this one here. Let's see if what he's got is what's going on. What the hell? At least it was only $4.49. What? Oh, you subscribed. Plus tax. When he was trying to pronounce my name, he just said, May thanks for the sub. May. I like it. Plus college fund. Plus convenience fee. Plus moist fee. Ew. Oh, is he live right now? I should probably put him in my list of followed things. I like Moist Critical. I think he's entertaining. Yeah, see, Indy, who is me when Indy just likes to confuse people, so he makes his name confusing. Yeah. So he does things like that just to screw with streamers. And I've seen it every stream that I've been on where Indy has followed or he's on and I see him. Indy always gets them to be like, me when, and get confused, and it makes me laugh. Alright, let's try this out. This could be it. He could have solved my minigame issue. So let's see if this even triggers that it's not done yet. No, not yet. Alright, well, so far not a good start. So there's definitely something wrong with my trigger points still. I mean, not trigger points. My whole dragging thing. Why is this not even triggering? Wait. So, where's handle drag end? Okay. Oh wait, let's check this. Drag container. Let's make sure this is working. What the fuck did you do? You stole my next one. Plus Amazon fee. Plus Prime fee. Correct. Plus Patreon fee. Go. Yeah, see, drag end is not doing shit. This is something I know now. Alright. On mouse move. Oh, shit. I accidentally. Oh, see, yeah. Drag end. This is not doing anything. So where is this being called? Drag start. So where the hell is this even working? So on drag start, this shit's working fine. And then this is on mouse move. Mouse move, it moves stuff. Cool. So the only thing we're having issues with is handle drag end. It is not getting triggered at all. And it looks like I'm not calling it, but I am right here. So mouse up should trigger this. It is not. And I do not know why. But I'm guessing it has something to do with this shit. So wait, what? Yeah, why is drag in not triggering at all? Is it this? Let's see. Let's at least make sure that this is working. Indiepawn.com fee. Yep, correct. Turbo P. This turned into a lawyer's office with many hidden fees. All right. Nope, nothing. Okay, well, this is not working. Mission element exists. Okay. So wait, is the minigame mission here? Yeah, it's right here. Well, let's double check. Because this is not even getting hit now. What the nut? No, that's not possible. Because I'm able to drag things. So I know this is getting through. This is working. Mouse move is working. That's pretty much where it ends. But why is this not even coming up with a console log? What am I doing? I feel like something is wrong with this console. Where is the console log? Hold on, I'm gonna close this, reopen it. Okay, this looks better. I feel like the console log was just screwed up. It's probably my fault. Ah, okay, there we go, there we go. Okay. Back to business. There is no 828-2823 fee without prior yellow forcibility. Free whiskey. Yeah, whiskey with an E. That should be free. This is whiskey without an E. Much better. Yeah, whiskey without is... This is the true whiskey. That's proper whiskey. Alright, let's try this again. Okay. Let's check the log. Boop. Alright. There we go. We're getting some stuff. Wires not defined. Well, that's some BS. Alright, so this is working, but wires are not defined. I'm defining wires here, which is definitely defined. Oh, this is an inside. Okay, I screwed up. Wait. Wires. Where am I hitting wires? Oh, right here. I gotta put this inside. Okay. Well, I guess I'll just put everything in there. Gimme. And... oops. There we go. Mush better. Mush better. Alright, cool. Okay. One more try. You received 100 messages in Restream. I get 100 messages in Restream real quick. Especially with you dudes hanging around. Alright. Let's try it again. I hope Game Doodle jumps on right when it starts working. And this is wrong. Doesn't feel right. But it feels like it's the only one that can work. It's kind of big though. I might have to make this image smaller. Still not winning. Okay, good. Now we're getting some results. Still not winning. Still not winning. Oh, is it because this is too big? Ah, there we go. Much better. I made it too small. Still not winning. Still not winning. Yes, you can make a funny song request. Is the funny song something you want me to sing for you, or you want to put on a funny song? Because I don't want to get DMCA'd. How was the fall full version? Yeah, I don't want to get DMCA'd. Hey, wait a second. It worked. You're a winner. Holy shit. Game Doodle did it. Hold on, let's test that out. Still not winning. You're a winner. Holy shit. He totally got it. Fantastic. What a G. Game Doodle for the win, man. Well, if he jumps on, I'm gonna give him some props. It isn't copyrighted? Well, let's give Game Doodle some fireworks for the win. And then let's put on your song. What was it called? Alright, so we're gonna react to How Was the Fall? Extended version or original? Or should we do it on SoundCloud?
Sans? Sans, wake up!
Dude,
A human has fallen from the surface world!
really? How was the fall?
No time for the fall!
Come on, that was a real fall, Tickler. Hey!
Enough!
Alright, here we go again.
Welcome to the underground!
How was the fall?
If you wanna look around,
Give us a fall.
we don't see humans often.
We're happy you just fall in.
I'll be so popular when I show all the monsters what I just brought in.
Hey, Papyrus, how was the fall?
Can it Sans? No time for better!
Excuse me, fall. So, how was the fall?
You're just lazy and apathetic!
Call me Ruda Fall. How was the fall?
Another
video
bullet
game?
joke and I'm finished with him!
What's it
We
called?
are monsters, the awfulest kind!
Mess the fall. Was the fall?
Fall into your determination because we monsters have our own
Undertale? Is it from Undertale? Oh. Never played it, so. Undertale. Yeah, I've never played it, but not a bad song. Could use some screams, though.
Really, Sam?
What?
The last line of the chorus was the fall.
How was the fall?
You imbecile. That
How
was
was the fall?
You're stuck in the underground.
Thanks to the fall.
Good luck ever getting out.
I guess you like what? You fall in the game and then you have to fight a bunch
Show
of dudes.
mercy to
Like
us.
super stoked on it.
Was
Is that what
the
it is?
fall? Does
Or is it just a
Your heart
level
full of evil.
or full of
People.
fall?
I, the great papyrus, challenge you to try getting by us.
The human with one of the fall.
Shut the fuck! I dare you to try a bite of spaghetti.
Smells like the fall. So how was the fall?
Stop it, Sans! I'm done with the falling.
Sounds like someone's fall was broken. How was the fall?
Someday I'll join the royal guard. When I catch this child, can it be that hard?
How was the fall? 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 How was the fall?
Today, still listening to
If I had it my fall, prepare to fall.
a very long song.
Kidding, thanks to the fall. If you couldn't fall, so give us your fall.
Down here in the
452.
underground,
You'll fall alone.
we
Cool.
wanted to tell you now.
You'll the fall.
If you survive this prison,
We'll know how the fall.
don't mess around with monsters.
They're scared of tiny fall.
You've come far, but soon you'll stumble when I stump you with some junior jumble.
Not so sure you'll them with the fall.
Alas, I'll hit him with my special attack. Leave me alone.
You know I the fall. So how was the fall?
One more fall and I'll be done.
How was the fall?
Everybody's always asking, how was the fall? But no one has ever asked, how is the fall? Think about it.
How was the fall?
All right. My initial reaction is it's good. Something my daughter would like. You know, she listens to all those songs. Not Undertale related, but like silly, you know, video game related songs while she's playing Roblox. Alberto! Hey man, Alberto! Dude, way to boost the numbers, my friend. Come on. Let's go. I finally hit 50, so now I need an average 3 viewers. And glad to see you here, my friend. I'm only about halfway there. Dude, that's good. Hey. Yeah, glad to see that you're still alive. How's work? How's the new job? Yeah, man. Appreciate it. How's the new job treating you? Been good? Yeah? It's been good? Hell yeah. That's great. I'm glad to hear it. Yeah, you never know with those new jobs. Really happy to hear that. Yeah, I actually, yeah, I made a lot of progress. We're just kind of finishing up a mini game. The hardware part. Able to change a lot of stuff in the house and in my life. Fuck. Stability. W2 in the house. Yeah, new routine. Man, you're getting healthy, happy, just less stress. I love it. That makes me really happy, man. I'm very happy for you. Honestly. Such a great thing. Just a little bit of stability. Mission points. Otherwise, get the value data. Yeah. Correct. Let's go back to save mission. How was the fall? Yeah, no problem, man. Yeah, and anything I can do to help with your current job too, you know, feel free to jump on. Anyone's bugging you, if you need some help with any programming stuff. You remember you told me about your daughter being tested about. Oh yeah. What's the newest about the ADHD, man? It turned out to be autism. Wow. She's good with the news. Yeah. Well, you know, they can have both. You can have autism and ADHD. I actually asked early on if my daughter had ADHD after she already got her diagnosis for autism. You know, with her developmental delay. I asked her because she just can't fucking focus. You know, because they're trying to test her and teach her things. I'm like, is it possible that she has ADHD? But it's so hard until they're past 5 years old. Kids don't have attention spans anyways. So, but that's really cool. You know, step one, man, you got the diagnosis and you're ready to give her all the support she needs. And that's fantastic. You want to check those tests out? Yeah, 100%. Because you're getting benefits too, right? Because that's great. I mean, the insurance will, you know, cover, if not everything, it'll cover like a majority of the tests. And yeah, no insurance? Oh, okay. Well, that's fine. But I mean, you're in Arizona, right? So I mean, you still have the Obamacare stuff. Yeah. Okay, didn't have insurance on the other one. But yeah, just to have that extra time with her is great. And you know, you're gonna need a little extra time to coordinate therapies and, you know, be there for all the extra stuff you have to take care of with her diagnosis. Do Twitch mods get ads? I don't know. Do they? I'd hope not, because people could just kind of... I don't know. I mean, if Twitch mods... Because you can still see the chat, so maybe it doesn't matter if you get ads or not. So you're trying to get one. Yeah. But since you're 15 minutes away from Mexico, we have our main family. Oh, okay. Nice. You still don't get how you guys ended up with no free healthcare. I know. I mean, they have, like I said, like Obamacare, and every state can do their own version of that. But it's a lot of hoops to jump through. Awesome. Indy. Quit leaving, man. What are you doing? Yeah, Asterion, where are you in Romania? I know you appreciated the shout out to Romania, but where are you located? Because we got Arizona. You are in Romania. Dude, that's cool. You guys have universal healthcare in Romania? Oh, okay. You just couldn't chat. So you heard all that stuff we were saying about you, Indy. Kinda busy, but you really want the busier stream. Awesome, man. No problem. Hey, we all get busy. I get busy. If I wasn't busy, I wouldn't be streaming at, 11:30 at night. I'd be streaming all day. Free and private. Oh, it's private. It's not even through the government. That's crazy. Oh, but the government probably pays the private companies or something. They subsidize it, I'm guessing. That's cool. Man, what's Romania all about? Private is better. Yeah. Oh, there's free and private. Sorry. I misinterpreted that. Another funny song is Welcome to the Internet by Bo Burnham. Oh, yeah, Bo Burnham he's kind of funny. He kind of oversells things though. Sometimes. But, yes. Wait, so I want to check this real quick. How was I doing value before? Mission complete mission. Wait, what the hell is value? I thought value was the amount of money. I mean, the amount of points. But now it's looking like value is the element. Oh. Oh. No, yeah, so you have free state provided. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of like what they have here in the US. 3.1415. It's a good song. What is this? Indy, you got all these cool new emotes. Emotes. Alright, hold on. Let's go back to the drag start. Okay. So, I think I had it right. So, value, actually the L is value. But minigame mission and this is the same. This might actually work. Let's see if it works. The square root of pi is 1.772. Nice. You'll be around. Glad that you're doing great. I'm leaving the window open to help you, average viewer. Keep it up, Beto. I appreciate your support, my friend. And yeah, if you're working at any time and you're just like, wonder if Mr. Scott V. Adrian would know the answer to this question. Or if you're making major career decisions in the future or anything autism related. And I've been through it. My daughter's turning 9 this year. So, she got diagnosed close to 2 and 3. So we've been going through it for a long time. And we've handled all the therapy session, all the schooling, all that crap. So, yeah. And we're in the US too. So, yeah. Let me know if you have any questions, man. Feel free to even hit me up in Discord too. I'm paying a lot more attention to Discord these days. I didn't used to, but now there's people in there talking, so I'm definitely keeping an eye on it. Maybe I'll put a parenting channel in there. All right. Yeah, man, you're killing it with these emotes. I'm appreciating every single one. All right, let's see if we can finish this mission, huh? I bet it works. Really wish Game Doodle was here for me to tell him that his code worked. Boop. And I'm really happy I didn't have to finish that code myself. That was getting annoying. And... whoops. I screwed something up. Value. Okay. I screwed something up. Where am I from? I'm in Michigan right now. I'm in the US. In the future, you better have some awesome emotes. Yeah, I'm gonna make some awesome emotes. I've got some great pictures and graphics. Your page reloaded. Uh-oh. That's weird. Yeah, I'm in Michigan. Used to be in California. I moved here a couple of years ago. So I grew up in California my whole life. LA, you know, like 15 minutes from Hollywood. I worked in Hollywood for a while. And so yeah. Used to that crazy life. You didn't click anything and it reloaded your page? That's weird. That's weird. I do not know. Hey, Asterion, you're listening to the audiobook. How is Jacob McNabb's Romanian accent? I know it comes in and out, and he's really good with accents, but I wonder, I don't know, that are you getting it? Are you getting the Romanian out of it for Iona? Because Iona's the Romanian one. Oh. Yeah, because he's only went to US once. He liked it, but need more than just, yeah. There's a lot to do in the US, for sure. Same for Romania. I would need a lot more than a few days in Romania. So what am I doing wrong? So obviously the element is not working. Or at least what I'm passing is not working. So what is mission L then? It's the document. Yeah. Oh shit. I turned it into a... Oh, got it. That's the problem. Okay, well then I can't do that. So I need to do this. If mission L, then... mission L exists. How about that? Exists. How about that? Or... we'll do... mission L exists equals false. How about that? He sounds okay. I mean, you don't like how Romanians sound speaking broken English, but that's okay. That's true. I didn't really think about that. Yeah. The Romanian English accent. 6 ideas for games you want to do? Ooh, hell yeah. Some 2D, some 3D. Man, I have some 3D games I want to make, but... I see the game devs making their 3D games. I'm like, nope. I don't have time for that. Because not only do you have to develop crazy, like, game functionalities, but you have to do all the fucking, you know, rendering and models. And I know you can get free stuff, but I'd always want to make it my own. Everything. I'd want it all to be custom. But, like, you need a team to do anything within 3 years. It would take me, like, 20 years, and then it would completely be out of date. And everybody would be dead. You know what I mean? Alright, mission... Did I spell this wrong? Never used. I'm using it right here. That's weird. I mean, yeah, I know Blender a little bit, but you're terrible at making ideas. I haven't been working on anything. Yeah. Nah, I mean... Yeah, I just, I don't have time to make some look up. Maybe someday. Like, if I don't have to work, like my day job as much, I'd just build 3D games too, you know? It would be a lot of fun. Here's some pretty thick and heavy accents here that might sound more like Russians. Ah. A lot of roll bars. Yeah, it threw me off a couple times. I think I'm not super familiar with the Romanian accent, because I was kind of getting like sort of Russian sometimes, and there were some rolled R's too. But I was like, yeah. But I also told him, like, she's been in the U.S. and Scotland, you know, for a really long time, and she's around an Irish person and a South African person, so her accent's gonna be weird. I made sure I knew that, like, it was gonna be like a tinge of Romanian. So I don't know. Glad to hear that it's not completely tragic from an actual Romanian. It's passable. You pronounce all your letters, so that's why some sound weird. Right. That makes sense. Reading everything. We pronounce every letter. My go-to is always just randomly Russian. What? Why are you lying to me? I put that in there. You exist. Oh shit, this is inside of an if. I gotta put this up. There we go. There we go. Very good, very good. Pronounce every letter. That's good. I like it. Will this work? Yeah, being from California, I speak a lot of Spanish. So I'm very accustomed to rolling my R's. My R's. But my Scottish accent is not so good. Hey! Wait, did we get it? Nope. 2 thumbs. Yeah! Hell yeah. Mission complete. That's fantastic. I love that. Of course, the one-day game doodles. Not lurking. He misses the triumphant use of his code. I really didn't change anything. I just used his functions. I mean, I just integrated it into my stuff. He was 65%. It was sure it would work, and it definitely did. 5 viewers? Let's go. Let's make it 10. I gotta make up for some lost time. Or else, where's everybody's mom? Why does everybody's mom not have a Twitch? There's a girl in your class that calls you Young Sheldon. Alright. Because my name is hard to pronounce. Aw, back to 4. Bummer. People hate me. Indy, what's your real name? Wait, is Indapon your real name? Am I stupid? I don't know why I would think Indapon wouldn't be your real name. No, it's not your real name. Okay, good. What's your real name then? At least type it out and I'll pronounce it correctly. You might end up at 3 soon. Yeah. Nah, I get it, man. 6:47. That's a weird time. Oh, what a horrible time for me to stream for you. I'm so sorry. That's like you could be getting an extra hour of sleep or 2. Yeah, send me your name in the DMs. We don't need to blast it to everybody. All right, let's see. I'll take this off so I can see. How is that hard to pronounce? It's pretty damn... I like it, by the way. Anything with 2 T's like Scott, I'm all about. My daughter's Scarlett, 2 T's. Come on. Can't beat it. You work... Oh, okay. You work with US. Got it. So yeah, this is normal for you. You're used to like going to sleep in like the next hour and sleeping during the day then. Hell yeah. And you're I think I remember you do you do WordPress? You do web programming? I forget if it's WordPress specific or if you just do random web development. Yeah, you're not sure. Alright, you like Young Sheldon? You are like a Young Sheldon, right? A little genius. Hacking the world. You and Dak, dude, man. I swear. So jealous of your drive. Who, me? Yeah, you. Asteriana, I was asking about you, your programmingness. I forgot if you do WordPress programming or if you do like web programming or what you do. Oh, C+ and Python for work. And Godot for fun. Nice. Nice. C# and Python. You do like data stuff? Data analytics? You programming data scientists? Automation stuff? Yeah, okay. Yeah, man, we got some C# lovers in here, so don't tempt them with a good time. This is fantastic. I'm so happy that this worked. Now all I have to do, I don't need you no more. And I really need to put, because what's happening is I have a minigame type. It's called programming. So what happens is after you finish doing the hardware, then I need to switch to the programming part. Clipped? What did you clip? I have no idea what you clipped. You work for Pharma. Oh, okay. Ah, yeah, man. That's so funny. So many ideas. Pharma. So yeah, you're getting into a DNA augmentation. All right, Duck Dude. I'll see you in a bit. Okay. So what happens here now is it goes to the next stage. So engage programming mini game programming step. Okay. And we'll pass these 3. That way I don't have to deal with that one. I want to save the mission. All right. So now we have to make the programming game. How exciting. Engage programming game. Programming step. Engage programming step. Let's just do this. Alright. So. And we'll do save minigame at the end of this one. Or save mission. What was it? Mission value is the L. Yeah, minigame mission. Yeah, we'll just do this. Copy and paste never failed me. Cool. Mission completed. Dak dude. Oh, let's see. Let's see the clip. Always good clips on here. Oh, C+ and Python for work. And Godot for fun. Nice. That's good. And Godot for fun. Oh, just like a little sprinkle on top. A little fun Godot. Man, everybody's doing Godot. I know, I say it every stream, but everyone's developing Godot. There's a reason, I get it. Yeah, I'll get there. C+, not C#. Ah. Did I say C+? Oh, I must have misspoke. Let's hear it again. Oh, C+ and Python for work. And Godot for fun. Nice. Got it. That's why you clipped it. Because of my error. I thought it was just my tone. Much better. I much rather have a clip of me screwing up. Makes a lot more sense. C+. Yeah, well, the hash and the plus look so similar in my shitty little screen. You heard it like, oh, C plus Python. Yeah, I like that too. C plus plus Python. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, Styrian's on my side. Okay, let's see the ideas. We've got... Wait, what? What are these ideas? Just an operating system, just like Discord. It'll most likely be a CLI. Log in, logged in. Get friends, get friends. Oh, okay. And then we got this one. Indie IDE. Small little IDE you can make plugins for with syntax highlighting for some languages. You can add to the JSON file to add your own syntax highlighting for languages you want it for. We'll be able to run your code in it. Will be coded in blah. Nice. I like your idea list. Keep it up, my friend. I want you to build many things. And then I will take advantage of them. I will claim them as my own. No, probably not. Could happen. Depends how good it is. You made those ideas at 3 a.m.? No. That's when my best ideas come out. I wake up. Yeah, I mentioned I had a gig, singing gig for once, which is very rare on my Fiverr. Everyone just hires me to do screams on their songs and stuff. But for once, it was a song that was only singing, and he needed me to write the lyrics and write the melody and go ahead and record it. And I have like a 3-day leeway, but like on day 2, I was sleeping, and I woke up. I'm like, oh shit, I haven't started. So I immediately listened to it in my headphones, and I wrote the melody out, and I sang the melody that I was gonna do, and then the following day I recorded it, edited it, and sent it out in a couple hours. Luckily, I can do that pretty quickly, but yeah, 3 a.m. spark of inspiration. You've seen weird programming ideas. Someone's making an assembly visual programming system. Visual programming system. You mean like putting stuff together with your hands, like visually? You woke up sweaty. It was like, I have ideas. I never have ideas. That's good. Yeah, you gotta do it, man. Strike while the iron's hot. That's what I always say. That's fantastic. Okay. Wait, what? Where's all the images? Oh, that's the mission. That's the mission, not the minigame. There we go. Leave. Okay, here's the minigame. It's very confusing. Alright, well, let's put a new group. Oh no, I was just gonna put like a paragraph. You watched a horror short last night at 2 a.m. What's my favorite animal? You know, for the longest time, like growing up, I always thought monkey was my favorite animal, like a gorilla or apes. I think I was always thinking of apes. Monkeys, I was like, meh. But like apes, I felt like was like always my favorite animal. But now, man, what is my favorite animal? I just saw a cow the other day, and I was like, I can dig on this cow. Like, just big ass nose, very cute, and a very functional animal. But when it comes to like coolness, I guess, you know, I think birds are always crazy. My wife hates birds, but like falcons, like those fast motherfuckers that are like could just swoop you up or swoop up little animals real quick. Those are pretty sick. I don't know, yeah. Animals are... There's so many types of animals. I like them for different reasons. I don't know. Good question. I've been really liking marmots lately. We got some of those running around. And they're so chunky. And they seem like very not like I don't know how evolution hasn't taken them out just because they're so slow and chunky, but they're doing all right. Cute bunny image. That's a long ass link. What the hell is that link? Oh, it's because of Google and their fucking weird query params. Alright, let's see this cute bunny. Ah, yeah. Let's go. My sister-in-law has bunnies. Kind of like this. Big old floppy bunnies. What's the point of AI bunnies? It's definitely AI. I saw another AI bunny in here. Here you go. What the fuck? What the fuck's that one yelling at? Bunnies are weird, man. My favorite are owl legs. Hello. What's up with owl legs? They look soft. But they're such freaks. Like, why you got such long legs, dude? What are you doing? Put your feathers down, weirdo. Yeah, man. Owls be legging. Legs for days. Look at them legs. So wait, what did I want to program? I wanted to put bring bisect entry to subject location. Womp. What does that mean? You'll find out. You know why you can't fall asleep? You just had 3-hour nap 2 hours ago. Yeah, don't fall asleep for 3 hours right before nighttime. Probably would help your sleeping situation. I need naps just to fucking stay alive, but they're always like 10 minutes tops. Okay. So first off, I'll leave it in the wires group, but no, I won't. I can bring it out. Okay, good. All right, so this is separate from the wires group. Get out. What the fuck, dude? All right, separate. And let's add a class so I can target this. It's going to be the programming subject. Programming subject. Alright, good. Let's see if it's in here now. Programming subject. C. Perfecto. Okay. So, and that just landed on my screen. Good, good. But now your screen's covered in gnat guts. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so here's the idea for the second part of the mini game. I'm taking this piece of text. I'm going to give it to the user in a little terminal screen. And I'm going to say convert this to binary and submit. And I'll give them a little legend for how to convert the letters into binary. And then when they type all the ones and zeros and click submit, that'll be the completing the mission. What do you guys think of that? Does that sound cool, or should I make it more codish and make them, I don't know, put words together or put them in a function or something? I was just trying to make it a little bit more accessible, and binary is like the most accessible. Let's see. Binary legend. Nope, not what I meant. Binary code legend. Here we go. I need you. Something like that. Crack the code. What the hell? Oh, look, they're using my plugin. I think. No, guess not. Ripping off my plugin then. Binary, whatever. I did the wrong thing. Let's do open image, new tab. That's what I meant to do. Is this right? This is what I need. Anybody else know binary? Is this right? Alright, this will work. It'll be nice long typing. Well, I'm gonna have to convert this to fucking text. So let's... Maybe I can steal this. How do I want to do this? You now identify as invisible. Alright, Dak Dude. You do you, invisible man. How do I want to do this? Transparent. Perfecto. Love it. Hilarious. Alright, for now, what we're going to do is convert this real quick. Who, where? Very good. We're going to open up the image I just downloaded. Where is it? Oh, okay. And then we're going to go ahead and run image trace. Will it not let me? What's going on? Oh, there we go. What? Image trace. Black and white. That's fine. Actually, I can do probably line art. Oh, that's pretty good. That'll make it hard to read. Nope. Nope. So if I make the legend really hard to read, then that should make things even more interesting, right? I don't really like it. I should probably just make like a little legend out of code. Like, looks like typing. So I should probably just make it myself. Forget it. Let's get Photoshop going. Gonna destroy my CPU right now. Nope. Oh yeah, let's open it just so I have a reference. Alright. Thank you. And then a new layer. Let's go ahead and just add some text. You ordered a chicken and an egg. Tell me which one comes first. Funny. So what is quintessential? There we go. No, that's not really code. That's more like typewriter. What's code look like again? It looks like... I don't remember what it's called. I'm trying to go off look right now. What's red and bad for your teeth? I don't know. A brick. Definitely. Horrible for your teeth. I agree with you. And you joke. I guess Courier is the Cody kind of look. I feel like it's off though. Whatever, let's do binary. Wait, is Courier all caps? What the hell? I guess so. Let's just put legend. Up. You got the carrots and the ranch? Nice. Fantastic. Alright, so let's look at the actual legend now. Now that we have the right type. And do something like that. Alright. And then we'll add... Actually, I did not want to do that. I wanted to do this. Something like that. And we'll do this. So it's A 11000001 B 00010 C 00011. Well, this is gonna be fun. D 00100 E 0000101. You made a binary counter on your Arduino before? Nice. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it seems pretty simple. It's only ones and zeros. How hard could it be? 01000 H I 01001. Thinking maybe I'll just do like one long line. That'll probably be good. How hard can it be? J 01010 K. Okay. Alright. L. This is riveting streaming, by the way. Me typing binary. 01101 L M N 01110 O 111 P. Oops. I ran out of room. Yeah, I think I just want to make it one long thing. So let's actually make the... Oops. I did not mean to do that. I meant to do... Nope. Oh yeah, I forgot. You can't fucking crop like that anymore. God. Photoshop, you're such an idiot. They like screw you with the cropping mechanism for some reason. Working on logging and still. Oh, Mysterian got me something. You found ASM thingy. Let's see it. Ooh. Writing software without a programming language. What?
I've built a program that lets me use machine instructions directly without typing a single line of code. Instead, I can build my own abstractions using node graphs, which comes with multiple benefits such
that's
as
what you're
easier
talking
code
about.
reuse
It's all
and
visual.
millisecond compilation times. The only downside is that I now have to implement absolutely everything from scratch. I'm not just talking about some basic utility functions here. I'm talking about concepts like the binary encoding of instructions and executable file formats. And to top it all off, I want to use this tool for my master's thesis at the end of this year. A thesis about real-time computer graphics. So, before 2024 is over, I'll have to work my way from basic arithmetic all the way up to light simulations running on a graphics card. Perfect conditions for a weekly devlog series, if you ask me.
I made balloons happen. Alright.
To get started,
This is now on my history, so I will definitely be watching this. That's cool, Asterion. That was really interesting, actually. Yeah, I'm definitely watching that. That's crazy town. That's crazy. He's probably still building it. Or did you already watch it? Did he finish it? Spoiler alert. You know, a new thing I've been hearing a lot about is Astro. Have you guys heard of Astro? You didn't know what? He's in active dev. Yeah, I figured. That's gonna take a fucking while. Astro is... it's a new framework that's supposed to basically get rid of the need for JavaScript. Like, on load. The whole premise is that you load a web page with nothing. Like, no JavaScript, no JavaScript files, no CSS files. Like, everything is contained within the ecosystem. So, like, it utilizes browser-based transitions, which aren't CSS animations, and they're not JavaScript animations. It's like native view transition stuff that's in the browser built in, which should make it very performant. And, you know, if you look under the hood, it basically just kind of inlines JavaScript and CSS where needed. Like, it converts everything and makes everything critical only. But yeah, it's really interesting. Yeah. Web engine directly, right. Yeah, it's a very interesting concept. And they've been working on it for a while, and it's starting to get more interesting as browsers are more advanced. You know, because I was hearing about even CSS doing nesting inherently, so you don't even need precompiled Sass or less now. Like, there's all these basic functionalities that are being implemented by the base technology, like how far vanilla JavaScript has gotten. With, you know, it's utilizing a lot of things that, or it's created functionalities a lot that jQuery, you know, it's kind of made more mainstream and stuff. So now vanilla JavaScript has implemented that kind of stuff native, and same with CSS, and they're all just trying to make things better and easier and more performant. But yeah, I think some people I know are going to look into using it. In your science class, you had to write things we couldn't live without, and the two things you wrote was VS Code and JavaScript. You're never a fan of web dev. It was hard for me to get into it, but it sounds interesting. An MC? I didn't know this. MC.
Do you know anything about this
Oh,
painting
Minecraft.
in Minecraft? If you don't know, it can tell you. First look closely. More closer. Like this. Have you seen it yet?
No. What
It
is
is.
Nice.
Do you know anything about...
Always good to get rickrolled on, you know, on a daily basis. Neovim is something I'd like to learn. Nice. Yeah, yeah. I mean, web dev is... It's just, you know, what I've been doing for 20 years, so it's... I can't really think of anything else to do with programming. You know, my buddy is like a master's in math, and he does web analytics and Python stuff. And I've worked with data scientists because I've worked on, you know, marketing teams for major data companies and stuff. And it's just a different world, man. It's a lot less visual. My stuff always looks much cooler when I'm presenting it. But yeah. Web dev can be pretty frustrating at the same time, because you're at the mercy of the browsers, right? And who runs the browsers? Google is your god. Alright, we got our legend. We now know what binary is. Is that the center of that? It doesn't look like the center. Oh, fuck you. Okay, hold on. Let's turn ratio off. God damn it. I don't want ratio. God damn it. How do you turn fucking ratio off? There must be a way to turn this off. How do I turn ratio off? Like, I just don't want ratio at all. Yeah, like clear. There we go. I can do whatever I want. Alright. 10 minutes into the stream. Yep. 8 minutes now. Godot is bringing back the visual programming part. Saw a plugin, but it's still early days. Oh, my god. In terms of browser. What, Firefox? Yeah. Mozilla has its place. Firefox is definitely not king, unfortunately. Alright, let's center you a bit more. Oh, I guess that is center. Weird. Doesn't look center. You've been liking Firefox? Alright. It's nice for beginners to see code and data flow, but for complex stuff you need to learn code. Yeah. I mean, at the end of the day, if you're going to build anything like heavy duty, you just have to get into the code. No, let's center this. That'll make a lot more sense now. There we go. That looks better. And let's go ahead and I think I'm going to get rid of the background. I'm going to export this as a PNG, and then I'm going to bring this into Illustrator and turn it into an SVG. Here's a game creative. Let's do that. Yeah, let's save it. That'll twerk. And then we'll go back into Illustrator. And let's go to that. And let's open. what I just created in the game creative. You gotta go? Alright, Deck Dude. I'll catch you on the next one, man. Yeah, I'll see you. I won't be on much longer. I'm just gonna get this image in. Alright. We'll take that. We will trace it. And then let's get rid of the background. Oh, whoops. Let's get expand. And let's get rid of you. Oh, shit. Let's get rid of same fill color and delete. And then we'll select all of you and turn you into an SVG. Even though it's a little weird to turn a bunch of text into an SVG, like why not just bring the text in, but I want to control it as an SVG. Used Opera GX on Windows for a couple years. Switched to Arc browser, now on Linux, use Firefox, Opera. Nice. I get it. Yeah, Chrome just rules everything. I have to use Chrome because when you're developing for websites and everybody's using Chrome, you need to develop on Chrome. Otherwise, you're looking at something nobody's using, and that's not very logical. Alright, let's bring pop this in with my game creative view. This is going to be binary. I'll put you in the images. Yeah, whatever, I'll just throw you in there. Oh, no. Wrong. I'm gonna put you in here. No, I guess this is part of the theme code. No. What? Interesting. I guess I kind of want to define, I want to add that image to the category itself. The category for the minigame, which is, where is that? Did I add minigame type? Can I add an image here? Oh yeah, I guess I can. That'll work. There we go. Full size. Goop. Perfect. Looks beautiful. PHP official Twitch account. Opera has the PHP official Twitch account and the Discord account and the PHP official email. Nice. Very cool. Alright, let's see if we can get this showing up on the front end now. And then once we do that, it's all called the night. So what we're going to do is minigame HTML. Minigame. And what we're going to do is get all the minigame. We're going to get the minigame type. If it's programming, I want to bring the legend in. Let's do minigame type equals get the terms. It's going to be minigame mission. No, I don't want mission. I want minigame ID. And it's minigame type. Right. So I want the terms for minigame type. If true equals. Yeah, I can't do that. I guess I'll only have one selected. So if programming equals minigame type. Name, then HTML, we'll do minigame programming. Yeah, sure. Good suggestion, IDE. I appreciate your suggestions sometimes. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put the content in. So actually I need to get... What the hell is the content in the database? Actually, I don't even think I know that. It's part of the term taxonomy? Description. Is that what it is? I think I did that before. So we'll do mini game content. No. Mini game type content. Nah, I don't want to do that. We'll just do mini game type post content. I don't think that has post content. I think it's called description. Yeah. I think it is. We'll find out. Let's see. Bop boop. Oh, I broke something. Definitely broke something. Alright, doesn't like it. HTML. Oh, this is probably not a thing. Let's actually var dump minigame type, and I'll just look at what it is. Nope, still broken. So let's do false equals empty. Minigame type. That's probably why. No, it's not why. I'm doing something wrong. Definitely that. What is it? Alright, well, we'll finish this in the next stream. Hey, thank you everybody. If you're interested, I could go out of my way and raid somebody. I don't usually do that, but it's a good way, and you know, to get your name out there. And I don't know. Let's see who's on right now. Actually, Dead Slap's on. He always raids me, so I'm gonna raid him. All right, Dead Slap coming at ya. Thanks so much everybody for being on. I'll catch you in the next stream, and yeah, really appreciate your time. See you later, alligators.